Okay, sekarang saya nak rekod vokal pula. Masih lagi pakai phone yang sama untuk menggunakan ASR untuk rekod vokal, tapi kali ni saya letak headband dekat bahagian mikrofon ni supaya sound dia tu dapat menapis bunyi P dan B supaya dia takkan pecah. Kalau biasa mikrofon profesional kan dia pakai pop filter kan yang macam yang bulat tu, tapi ini saya pakai kain ni lah. Okay, kita mulakan sekarang. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips light as a feather, and it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. Ooh, we were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems, singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me baby one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Ooh. Yeah. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oh. Hello guys, sekarang saya dah masuk ke dalam komputer saya, PC saya. Okay, ini saya edit audio-audio yang telah saya rekod itu ke dalam saya menggunakan perisian yang bernama Reaper. Okay, ni saya dah susun lah semua recording tadi. Okay, yang saya susun ni saya tak cerita lebih detail lah. Nanti mungkin akan ada video yang lebih detail untuk editing lagu. Okay, ini semua file-file yang telah saya rekod tadi lah. Ni intro, drum, snap ni petik jari, lagi gitar pre-chorus, gitar chorus. Ni ada tambahan sikit lah, gitar part kalau anda tahu lah, dan juga interlude. Saya tak buat video masa saya rekod tu, jadi yang lain-lain saya dah buat video lah. Ok, sekarang saya nak tambah satu track untuk saya masukkan vokal. Saya tekan Ctrl T, tambah satu track baru. Saya akan drag ke atas, dan juga saya akan cari file yang saya rekod tadi, vokal yang telah saya rekod tadi. Ini file vokal. Kemudian saya akan drag and drop dekat dalam track yang baru saya buat tadi. Okay. Okay. Okay, saya akan bagi dengar vokal yang telah saya rekod tadi. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer. Okay. Okay. Kalau kita nampak file ni dia record dalam stereo. So saya nakkan mono saja. Okay, saya akan klik pada track ni dan right click, item settings, dan pergi kepada tag channel mode mono left. Okay, dia akan ambil left saja tadi. Okay, kemudian saya akan potong dekat sini. Kemudian saya akan susun masuk ke dalam track-track yang lain. I will always remember. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. Ooh. Okay. Untuk tujuan tutorial ni saya akan buang yang lain ya. Kita akan rekod sampai sini saja. Kemudian saya akan buat adjustment sedikit. I will always remember. I will always remember. Dia macam lambat sikit ni. Saya akan kedepankan track tadi. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. Ooh. Time, paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Okay. Itu je kot. Okay, saya akan solo. Ni intro saya ada ambil sikit yang bahagian bahagian ni saya cut and paste, letak kat sini, ni drum. Metronom. Ni petik jari. Remember. Oops. Okay. Ni petik jari kiri. Kat sini left. Ni petik jari kanan. Pen right. So kita dapat efek
stereo belah kiri dan kanan. Okey, kemudian gitar pre-chorus. Ni semua saya buat dua left and right lah, supaya dapat efek stereo. Ni gitar chorus pun sama stereo. Part U. Right. Ni part interlude. When we sang song with all our childhood friends, yeah, oops, I got 99 hours in bye. Okay, so saya rasa itu saja.
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. Ooh, we were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, said, oops, I got 99 problems, singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me baby one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods on an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say